Listen, I'm about to be a hot pepper stepper. You hear me? Cheers.
Hold up, stop, click, I got your picture. Now give me your phone number so I can get with ya.
Well, hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by JuliaHair. They were kind of sending me another unit to review for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay, and your girl got her wand today. Okay, hold up. Now I got my Stella Rosa Peach from the fridge. It's been waiting on me for months. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour just a little teeny bit. I gotta ease my way back into that joint. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little sip like this. Okay, chase it with the water. Yeah. Now before we get into this gorgeous ginger color install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
I shouldn't be standing with a heart that's so heavy. I shouldn't be up with all the weight that I carry. Don't know if it's right, but I'm sticking with you. You're my only vice, I'm dependent on you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate. Every time you leave me to my fate. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better for my soul. Better for my soul, yeah, better for my soul. Find somebody better for my soul. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better for my soul. About the good days when you put me first, baby. When you used to call me just to say that you miss me. Don't know how we got here, but I blame you. And I blame myself just for sticking with you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate. Every time you leave me to my fate. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better for my soul. Better for my soul, yeah, better for my soul. Find somebody better for my soul. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better for my soul. Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broken mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval,
Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from JuliaHair. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This unit already comes in this gorgeous ginger auburn type of color, and y'all, I am giving Janika Rabbit. You hear me? I am giving Jessica Rabbit who? I don't know, because this look on me is a vibe. Okay, I probably should have put on a lighter shirt, but you know, whatever. We're gonna keep the black on. It's cool. It's cool. This color is gorgeous. Now out the pack, she does need a little work. I did go in and kind of pull some of the hair out the hairline. However, it does give you a good starting point. So if you are not someone who wants to pull out or tweeze your hairline, you don't necessarily have to. But for my look, I had to do a little something, just a smidge, to get my hairline like this, and I'm really happy with how it looks now. Now I did not co-wash my unit this time. However, I did spray some dry shampoo on this unit, and then I used my blow dry brush to kind of tame the curls. This unit does come in a body wave texture, if I'm not mistaken, and the curls out of the pack were really gorgeous. I was tempted to straighten this unit, as you saw in my install, but then I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and just put the curls back in the unit and see how she flows. And y'all, the flow of this unit is on point. I didn't cut no layers in this unit. It does come with some layers here in the front, so you don't got to worry about any of that. This unit is pretty much, I'm not gonna say ready to wear out the pack. If you kind of want to wear her slick back or pull back in a ponytail, then sure, okay? But if you want to wear her like this, you gotta do a little bit of work, okay? And a little bit of work, I mean like under 30 minutes. Under 30 minutes to do my hair is, you know, that's good to go, especially when it's a lace and you gotta curl it. Under 30 minutes, good. Over 30 minutes, you getting into, you know, a little bit more intermediate, you know, expert type of level when it comes to, you know, styling up your wig. So just be mindful of that when I tell you guys how long it took me to style a unit, okay? You can definitely see the line of demarcation on this unit. It looks kind of snug around my hairline, but it's not snug at all. Let me see if I can lighten that up a little bit. Excuse the outside, my guys here to cut my grass, because yeah, it's hot outside. I ain't doing that. But let me just take my knot eraser and see if we can kind of color correct that a little bit. I don't know. It's doing a little something something, and I'm just using this middle color right here. The knot eraser doesn't have colors, but it's the bottom row, the one in the middle. So yeah, it did a little something something. Obviously, if you bleach your knots, then you know you won't have such a harsh line demarcation. But you already know I don't bleach nothing but my whites. Okay, no. I don't got time for it, sis. Okay, I don't really have much to say about this unit because it's pretty like simple. There's nothing crazy going on with this wig. I didn't get no shedding or tangling with this hair. The density of this hair is giving more of a natural density. I wouldn't mind it to be a little bit thicker, just, you know, for the curls that I want, the body that I want, but I'm not mad at the density of this wig. Hold up, 'cause I think that's my babe texting me. Yeah, I'm in this board. Oh, boo. I was trying to show out on my lunch break. I mean, dang. What are y'all thinking about this one? How would this look if I put on some hoops? Hold up. I ain't put no jewelry on or nothing. That's a shame. Look at him right here by my window. Y'all hear him by my window? How the hoops look? Hold on. These nails getting in my way. Okay, they're not bad. I need some more lip gloss though. My lips not popping. Okay, Janika Rabbit. Okay, Janika Rabbit. Okay, so what are we thinking about this wig? Again, nothing crazy. The styling was super easy. Like, I'm here for it. This curl, no, we're not gonna do that. Okay, see, this is what we're not gonna do. Now, obviously, the curls are not gonna stay in this unit unless you kind of set them or use some hairspray. I didn't do either, so, you know, my curls will fall a little bit. But surprisingly, this side is holding really well. I didn't think I did anything different, but I guess it's because this hair is heavier over here on this side because, you know, the bang or whatever. So, you know, there's that. But I'm just gonna put this one back in here like that because I want my curl to be, you know, I want my curl to be right. There we go. There we go. Now don't judge me. I did a little suit today because, you know, I felt like it would look cute and I was right. The color I feel like is what makes this unit, you know, kind of, you know, pop out. Okay, it makes it stand out. And I'm here for it. Okay, how we looking? How we looking? Listen. I got the hand up. I got the wine in my glass, a little shot. Yeah, I'm ready. Take it to the head. Listen, I'm about to be a hot pepper stepper. You hear me? Cheers. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to JuliaHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.